Hey, what's up, global trader? I am your brother from India, the founder of Romanaverse, and today I am here to save your trading career. Did you know that 90% of traders lose money and quit within their first year? But don't worry, I will guide your back in this video. I am revealing the top 3 risk management secret every trader must know to survive and thrive in 2025. So, smash that subscribe button, let's jump in. I started my journey in a small town called Bathinda, India, dreaming of becoming the world number one trader. But here's the truth, trading is not just about making money, it's about keeping it. That's why risk management is the key. If you want to turn 1000 into 1 million, you need these 3 secrets. Let's break down them. First secret, the 1% risk rule. Never risk more than 1% of your total capital on a single trade. For example, if you will go $10,000, your max loss per trade should be $100. Even if you lose 10 trades in a row, you will still have 90% of your account left. Most traders fail because they risk too much, but not you, because you are with Romanaverse. Secret 2, use stop loss like a pro. A stop loss is your safety net. It closes your trade automatically if the market turns against you. Always set it based on technical levels, like below spot or above resistance. Don't get emotional, let it do its job and protect your money. Small losses are better than big disasters. Secret 3, diversify your trades. Don't put all your cash into one currency pair or stock. Separate it out. Trade Euro USD, GBP, JPY, maybe some gold or crypto. If one trade flops, the other can save you. It's like building multiply income streams, smart and safe. Want to level up your trading game? Join my exclusive Telegram group for just 4,000 INR. You will get daily signals, live update and personal tips from me. Or if you are serious about going pro, sign up for my live trading course for just 45,000 INR. Hands-on training with live chart. WhatsApp me, my number giving in the description. Don't wait, join Romanaverse and change your life. That's it, my global world survivors. If you want to crush it as a trader in 2025, hit subscribe, turn on notification and stick with me. Drop a comment, what your biggest risk management mistake. I will reply. Let's build an empire together with Romanaverse. See you next time, stay blessed.